My name is Coach Miranda Minor and welcome to another recast or yung take 2 ng ating presentation today. Hello. Kanina medyo naglalag yata yung connection, so I need to do the recast. Miranda, tuloy-tuloy na natin. Wala na tayong mga commercials. Let's now do this. And I'm going now to share my screen with my partner for today. Hello to everyone. Hello to Charlene, Bernie, Higher High, Paul Anthony, Batch 42, very good. All right. Pronks, mga team Discord, hello sa inyo. Regil, Ferdinand, Catatonic, Lethargy, yan. Hello sa inyong lahat. All right, let's now do this. Snow Kevin, hello to everyone. Are you happy? Friday, it's already Friday. Napagandang umaga, October 7, my favorite number. And let's now continue our show for today. Of course, don't forget to click on like and subscribe to our channel here in YouTube, and also we're also live streaming there in Facebook. Hello for the team Facebook and hello in team Discord, no? Isang magandang umaga sa inyong lahat. All right, Buhawi, morning, good morning sa inyo. Yan sa mga team YouTube Discord yan. Ronald and Snow Kevin, hello to you guys. Let me now pull up my screen. All right, hello, yan. We are already live. Mentor Justin, how are you?
Hello. Magandang umaga, Miranda. Take 2, no? Take 2.
Ayan, take number 2.
Ng kape, no?
Correct. Take number 2. Hello. Yan. Let's all greet mga viewers. RPG Cloud, post. Oo, mamaya na kayo ma-recorded naman si Fib Masterclass, no? Pero grabe kayo, ha? Ang dami yung testimonies in the Fib Masterclass. I'm very happy. At naiintindihan nyo na ang market structure, higher highs and higher lows, lower highs and lower lows. At importantly, the system called trim, no, the mnemonic, no, trim. Coming from Whitwell, it's already upgraded to trim, no. So, congratulations to all of you. The most recent na nakita ko, basta i-acknowledge ko lang, no, yung mga nag-testimonial sa atin, nagkuha ako ng screenshot eh. Ayan, so i-acknowledge ko lang si ito, TRBO, right hand activation, good volume, TP at 618 area, you know, yan. So may Fib fan, ginamit niya, sabi niya sulit daw ang masterclass, 43%, congratulations, perfect. Ang ganda ng trend breakout na to. I like this and good job to you for this particular trader. Well done. All right. So, kakaiba tong market na to. You were saying kanina, Justin?
Yeah.
Nag-bounce. Go ahead.
So for Bitcoin, no, just like what we've discussed sa sa technical charting with the mentors, we had a bounce kagabi, but it's just a short bounce, and then we had a correction on a 0.618 exacto, no, same thing ng retest ni Nasdaq sa old support niya, no, and that's the reason why Bitcoin and other altcoins followed. And exactly what we are talking about yesterday, no. We just don't expect yung mga breakouts agad, no, since we are really still inside the triangle.
I agree. And sabi natin scalp lang the market because there's no confirmed trend eh. No, this is not a confirmed breakdown. It will just go do the micro swing. So true enough, nagkaroon ng little bit of breakdown, tapos umakit ulit. Nagkaroon ng bounce on a 1.618. Alam mo ba, grabe, nakarami ako gabi. Nasabi ko, ayoko na. Enough na tayo, no? Kasi meron din ako mga nakaposition kasi, which I'm going to discuss maya-maya yung ating LUNC trading yan. Anyways, what do you have? You wanna share your charting, Kuya Justin, and share your screen? In case you have, no, unless otherwise I can also share my screen.
Yeah. Siguro share ko yung sa Bitcoin, yung technical charting natin last night.
Sige.
Give me a sec. Here.
Miranda, I'm looking here kasi dito yung bigger screen ko. Huwag niyo isipin na ini-ignore ko kayo. Okay. So I have two big screens kasi this is my charting screen, yung malaking screen natin. Alright. Okay.
So yeah, there you go. We had, this is the trendline support that we're talking about, no, last night. Parang we had ito, may mga nakapag-scalp on this bounce. This one. Yung bounce natin doon. And then technically, sabi natin, no, kagabi pa lang, we need to wait for, since may left hand na nag-perform dito, even on 1 hourly time frame, we don't really expect this to break out or magtuloy-tuloy, no? Especially Nasdaq is also penetrating a strong support before. And that's the reason why we had a breakdown. Ito, nag-retest niya na to, nag-osure na siya dito. Old support acting as our resistance from this level. And that continue. That's the reason why Bitcoin had a correction play na parang pababa na siya ng pababa. And as of the moment, ano ba ang support natin kay Bitcoin? Why are we having a bit of support in here? Then if you're gonna look at it, nagkakaroon tayo ng bounce on a 0.382 on using your Fibonacci, and yun, around 19,957. That's gonna be our immediate support for Bitcoin.
19,957. Okay, let me just double check.
Ayan, so if I were to trade Bitcoin, I'll wait for this MACD or your price action to normalize, since wala pa eh. Nagkakaroon pa lang ng correction. Nagkaroon pa lang ng confirmation, but MACD still on downward trend.
Tama.
So wala pang normalization na nangyayari. So I'm not gonna trade any long positions yet.
Ano yung 382 mo? 19,000? Okay, look at your fib sa kaliwa, 19,869. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. So doon siya nag-bounce no?
Correct.
Okay. And now it's actually creating a double top on a big picture. Di ba? May double top ka na. So your important neckline is going to be your 382. No? Your 19,882 is an important neckline. Yan, importante yan.
Sana sumalo.
Yan, tanggalin mo si fib mo. Tapos it's trying to recover. Yes, so ito yung mga panahon where we need to look into our oscillators, no? If we wanted to get some guidance if the market is going to do a momentum, so we need to look at your RSIs and your CCIs, no? This is interesting. Tapos kumuha lang talaga siya ng 20,400-ish na resistance area. Interesting. Tapos you can actually create another support line, no, galing sa pinakailalim. Based on this, meron kang before pa yan mag 618 area, well, almost eksakto galing sa ilalim eh. Galing sa ilalim. All right. Pero on a very sige, zoom out mo yan. Zoom out on that, Justin. Ayan. Siguro even look at your 4 hours. Yan, naked charting tayo. Yan. Yan, sige. Tapos tanggalin mo muna yung mga oscillators mo. Let's just do clean naked charts here. Okay. So basically, galing sa pinakatuktok, anong meron sa coin natin? October na eh. Diba? October na. So ano nang meron dyan sa formation natin yan? What do you think?
Ano na? Multi-year? Or multi-month? In China resistance ba, Coach?
Correct. Look at your multi-year. Diba? Nag-ano na, no? Nag-confirm na. So, look at the candles. RSI is oversold. Look at MACD.
Multi-year na pala.
Yeah, nag-multi-year na yan eh. Diba? Confirm. Multi-year. So technically, Ang iintay natin, um, on this particular breakout, nag-confirm na October 4, umakyat, nag-rally. Even stock market traded a rally. The reason why it's trying to retest, although good naman yung size ng candles mo, with conviction naman yung candles. But we need to get the bigger market to support, no, kasi it's creating a double top at the 4-hour time frame. Ang bias ko, pwede pa itong umakyat ka, Miranda, no? I just need the market to help, no? Kasi of course the market will be the one to raise this price, no? But the bigger market need to help. The bigger next week is going to be a driver. Wala pong trading ng US on Monday. So we're going to be waiting for Tuesday and Wednesday, no? Mentor Justin, can you take over for a little bit? I'll just need to take a call. Meron lang akong call na tumatawag. I'll be right back, Miranda.
Go ahead, Coach. Yep. All right. So for Bitcoin, just for reinforcement, no, we have a technical resistance going on. We're gonna do this Fibonacci around 0.5. Medyo malakas to, no, around 20,430, and that's what we are talking about kanina, or kagabi pala rather. And that's something na we wish, no, ma-break na ni Bitcoin, and hopefully magkaroon tayo ng magandang rally, no, bago magpas. So that's for Bitcoin. You have your strong resistance. So technically, nangyari yung sinabi natin the last time or last night. If I were to trade this coin, then I'll just really trade it inside the triangle. And true enough, nagkaroon nga tayo ng pag-breakdown. And am I going to trade long position for Bitcoin right now? Then I'll just really wait for MACD normalization, no? Normalization. Then from there, I'll wait for a bounce. Just in case, I will go from here. Yung 0.382 natin, I'll watch this 0.382 kasi this is the neckline as well of our double up, no? So that's for Bitcoin. Chart natin si XRP. I-reinforce natin yung charting natin dyan, and then BNB of course. So eto na nga. Nagkaroon na rin ng technical breakdown. Just like what we are seeing kagabi, no? Kasi nagkaroon tayo ng hidden divergence, no? Nagkaroon tayo ng left hand dito around 0.5063 resistance area. And then from there, sabi natin, ito na lang yung triangle niya. Parang we were charting this from here. Ito na lang yung triangle niya. And then true enough, nagkaroon talaga ng confirmation of the breakdown, no? Congrats ka, Miranda, kung kumita ka dito. So swing low to swing high tayo. As you can see, it's about to retest, no? 0.382. About to retest a 0.382 support. That's gonna be around 0.4798. So if you were able to enter this kagabi, Miranda, medyo malaki-laki rin to, no? At least 3 to 4%, no? Let's go on a 15 minutes confirmation. There you go. Around 3.36%. Congrats. So, tingnan natin yung mga comments, no? Just give me a second, guys. Sino ang kumita kay XRP? Mas mamaya reinforce din natin si BNB. Just give me a second. So, tingnan natin yung hello, Kuya Luke, French fries, Sir Bry. Pwede daw po ba sumali sa Discord? Yes, pwedeng sumali sa Discord. Iba ba? Live chat yan, there you go. Aga magising ni Kuya Luke, ah. Alright, so sige, chart natin si BNB. For BNB, same thing, no? Grabe to. Laki ng selling volume. Nangyari kay BNB. Okay, so we were charting this, nandito pa lang, BNB. Technically, nakakita na tayo ng divergence dito last night. No? For hidden convergence. And then from there, swing low to swing high, mukhang nag-618 si BNB. Grabe. Okay, so binutas niya rin yung 0.382. Same goes with the 0.5. And then right now, nag-touch siya ng 618, bumalik. Nag-bounce sa 618, umilakyat. Okay. So we have your support at 0.6189. And then from here, grabe yung breakdown pala ni BNB. Sarap yung scalp sana nito. Okay. Binance Bridge hack, sir, kaya nag-dive siya. Okay.
Yeah, there was a discussion of a Binance hacker earlier, no? But they're trying to fix it. Medyo malaki. Well, hindi ganun kalaki, kayang-kaya ni CZ, pero the fact na nangyari, may problema.
Mm-hmm. Okay. So, BNB Bridge was just hacked. Okay. That's the reason, no, bakit bumutas ng 0.38, 2.5 and even touched our 0.618, and this is a very strong support. Kung naabangan mo to dito at 0.618, kumita ka na dito, no, in a scalping perspective. And true enough, nag-materialize din yung sinabi natin last night with the mentors, no, with yung mga charting natin with mentors. We had a technical breakdown from this trendline support, and nag-activate yung left hand natin, supported with a good, very, very good volume. Grabe. Ayun. Sabi dun sa chart. Ayun. So that's our, coach, na reinforce natin yung mga chinart natin the last time. True enough, nagkaroon talaga sila ng breakdown. The only good for scalping lang talaga, they did not have really a good breakdown or yung tuloy-tuloy na pagbaba, except for BNB because there's an FA. But for XRP, Bitcoin, and yung iba pa nating chinart, nagkaroon talaga sila ng technical breakdown and almost going to bounce on the predicted support natin using our Fibonacci last time.
Okay.
Yun.
Okay, all right. Hello to everyone as well that are still in the chat room. How can we join Discord? Sige nga, Kuya Justin, palapag ng ating Discord
Okay.
link. Yan. All right. Okay, let's go now with our LUNC. Inaantay na lahat, the 100% analysis. All right, sinong ready na? Type number 1. Who's ready?
Unsure na ako ng screen, coach, ha? Unsure na ako ng screen.
Sige. Go ahead. All right, who is now ready to see, no? So, this was the trade, yan. 100% trade for LUNC. Ano yung mga convictions po natin for this particular trade, yan. Of course, we have used our Fibonacci fan, no? This is our what's this? Trade with conviction, no? Kasi nga, sabi ko, alam mo, this is going to go down, at least in my standpoint. Bakit? Kasi nga, nagkaroon ito ng 618 breakdown on a Fib fan. Yan, on a Fibonacci fan standpoint. Yan. So, So, sabi ko din, mentor, for the students, members, sinabihan ko kayo, mag-abang naman kayo ng breakout. Sino nakasabay sa breakout? Mukhang si Alan nakasabay, Si Alan Ox ay nakasabay. Si mga students or mga members, sino nakasabay sa inyo? Hinedsapan ko kayo dyan, Hindi ako nagkulang sa inyo, Alright.
Si Alan Ox na nakasabay.
Hinedsapan, i-check nyo, no? So, pakita ko lang, no, so para malaman ninyo, no, hindi po ako talagang binigay ko po sa inyo as ano yan. So let me just try to chart it first. Teka lang, i-share ko din yung screen ko sa iyo para makita mo din, Mentor Justin. Okay, let's now do this, no. So I'm actually looking at LUNC. So, ayan. So, LUNC, very good. Yan. Ang sinasabi ko kanina sa inyo, sa mga nasabihan natin ito, magbantay kayo ng potential scalp of the breakout. Ayan. Sabi ko kanina. So, ito na po yan, no? So, mukhang ready na to scalp si Kuya, Ready na to scalp, no? Nagkaroon na ng scalping opportunity. Ayan. So may mga actually ako also me no, I also had an opportunity to sabi ko since of course ako rin nagbigay ng signal, sabi ko babantayan ko din ito. And true enough, meron ka ng konting kinita on this particular breakout, no? So congratulations sa mga nakasabay dyan.
Daming natutuwa sa mga viewers natin, Coach. Nakatipi na raw sila.
Uy, wow!
Sabi ni Sir Bernie.
Kayo talaga, magbigay kayo ng profit. Di na ako magbibigay ng signal.
Thank you daw.
Ayan, 1 hour ago, I gave a signal. I rarely do this. But I gave a signal 1 hour ago in LUNC. Yan, o nakita niyo yan, LUNC yan. Using our Fib fan. Wala na lang maingay Huwag maingay sa mga ganyan.
Mga members yan, Coach, no?
Members to. Pero syempre, our topic for today is, I will not tackle this. No? I'm going to tackle about how did we short muna. Kasi, wait, teka lang umahataw talaga Wait lang. Hoy, guys, huwag ma-FOMO yung mga hindi nakasalo dyan. Ako. Sabi ko sa inyo Okay, wait
Grabe
lang.
yung breakout, no? Pag naabutan mo talaga yung ganyan, kikita-kikita.
O, diba? Talagang kikita ka Talagang okay ka Of course, pag mga ganyan, look at your CCI, no? Pag mga ganyan, look at your CCI. Our system tells you that, no? Ayan, medyo oversold na si CCI, no? It can, of course, go oras already. So, ang inaantay lang naman natin dyan is the exact breakout, no? Yung exact breakout na yan. Okay. So, congratulations sa mga inyo. Pero, ituro ko muna sa inyo yung ating conviction sa big. Bakit tayo naka 100%? How come? Why did we stay on this trade? No? And of course, yun ang tinuturo natin. Why did I stay on this trade? How come I got 100% profit on this particular trade? Of course. Okay, so of course, unang-una ka Miranda, gagamit po tayo ng malaking time frame. I-analyze muna natin ang ating market. Yan, i-analyze natin. Of course, pag-analyze mo ng market, makikita mo dito that there's obviously a little bit of a sideways move from a market perspective. No? Teka lang mukhang di ako nakikita Yan. Ayan. So there's a little bit of a move no na obviously, this one is on a sideways movement with a little bit of volatile candles, no? Yan. So analyze mo, okay? So if you look at the chart, i-analyze mo siya, no? Where is this market going to go? Where is this price going to go? Is there a correlation? What is the standard deviation? What is the volatility? You need to really understand. Ayan, pag na-analyze mo na, isipin mo ngayon that anong gagawin mong system, no? Anong gagawin mong pagtaya on this particular trade? Titingnan mo 'yan. No, what are the things that you need to consider? Are you going to do full wallet size? Do you have the right position size for this coin? But of course, ang pinaka-importante sa lahat, LUNC is not for everyone, no? Because LUNC, as a matter of fact, may mga nakita na ako mga platforms na nagsasabi do not trade LUNC because of high volatility, and that's very very appropriate naman, So, paglagay natin, paglapag mo, i-analyze mo siya, tingnan mo ano bang forma nito, then create your naked chart, no? Look for your major support, major resistance, put your Fibonacci's, and etc., etc., etc. As a matter of fact, sabi ko nga, LUNC is a perfect anatomy on a bigger time frame. This is a perfect anatomy. Take a look at this. Perfect anatomy, no? So, TRBO, consolidation, early magic, late magic pullback, bounce on old support, nagkaroon ng breakout ulit after this breakdown here. Sinalo, umakyat ulit because of the good buying pressure from the public nung nagkaroon ng update si BNB daw na si Binance that they're going to burn some of the coins during the transaction. So meron silang taxation or deflationary driver there. Umakyat, nag-cool off, no? Na nagkaroon siya ng cool off, obviously you will notice that on a very big time frame, this is considered as a sideways move. Bakit? Siyempre, it has a common support and resistance. Hindi siya umaakyat, no? So, i-analyze mo siya. What's gonna be the next move? So, obviously, you have your TRBO, you have your insulated consolidation, and of course, what can potentially happen is, after a consolidation, another breakout or a breakdown can happen. But of course, pag tingin mo naman dyan sa isang chart na yan, makikita mo din na it's also forming another anatomy. Di ba? It's forming another anatomy. So in this particular case, hahanapin mo ngayon yung mga potential or yung mga important support and resistances mo. And of course, you're going to use your Fib fan. So again, enrolled in our masterclass for you to know how to use your Fibonacci fan. Even the right way to use your Fibs, because even if you don't use a Fibonacci fan, pwede ka pa rin naman makakita ng mga tamang support areas, no, at mga correction areas on this particular chart. Of course, this particular coin created, no, a market structure. Paano yon? Di ba, you have your low, you have your high, you have your higher low, you have your higher high. Di ba? You have created the market structure. Ngayon, it obviously created a new structure pababa because gumawa siya ng breakdown dito. No? So you have your new low, lower high, you have your lower low, you have your lower high, you have your lower. So it created a new structure pababa. But at the end of the day, ang hinahanap natin dito when we do our naked charting is alamin mo muna ano ba yung mga major breakouts mo. Kung gusto mo kumita ng mga 100% or mga 200%, kailangan makita mo dito saan ba yung mga malalaking mga breakouts and breakdowns na tinatawag natin. Okay? So there are multiple ways for you to find out. How do I put my why do I put my trend support line here? Maraming paraan, no? Siyempre, hahapyawan natin si Fibonacci fan. Pwede kang kumuha ng swing low to swing high to confirm your trend line here. Okay? So, magiging valid itong trend line na to. This is gonna be a valid trend line for me, which means that if it happens na nagkaroon ng breakdown dito, potentially lalaban mag-o-osure yan. Pero it can always go down depending on where the market would want it to be. In this particular case, nagkaroon ng confirmation on a breakdown. Nagkaroon ng confirmation on a breakdown. Okay? Nanonotice niyo, I'm not looking into multiple time frames dito. Okay? I'm not looking into multiple time frames. Now, nung nagkaroon ng breakdown, you will notice that obviously, nagkaroon siya ng osure, but the buying pressure was just corrected. You know, the structure was just corrected by a series of support that acted as a resistance here. Kaya nasopla na yung ating buying pressure. And besides, your buying pressure is unusual. Bakit? You're doing a buying pressure. You see what I'm saying here, di ba? You're doing a buying pressure samantalang si MACD nasa ilalim. And from a comparative standpoint, yung buying pressure mo, ang liit na. So this is not going to win, no? If you analyze the market. So sabi ko, this is going to become very, very interesting, no? So true enough, nung nagkaroon siya ng another triangle here, bumaba na, no? Bumaba na siya. Yan, when we created multiple triangles here, bumaba na siya. So nung tumapat na siya on this particular breakdown, sabi ko, gagawa to ng potential right hand. Ito na siya. So around this 30.6 area na tayo pumasok, no? With the confirmation here. Sabi natin gagawa ito ng potential lower low from a market structure standpoint, no? And true enough, gumawa, no? Low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. Gumawa siya ng right hand, nagkaroon siya ng tinatawag nating convergence, and true enough, nagkaroon ng convergence dito. Sabi natin, ima-maximize natin yan. When we entered here, of course, we took 30.6, no? When we entered there, what we wanted to make sure is that we also set our stop loss. Yan, we also set our stop loss. So, of course, gumawa tayo ng triangle dito. Yan. Tanggalin ko na to. Of course, you have your apex somewhere here, no? Again, anatomy din po ito, ha? You have your anatomy, no? TRBO, you have your TRBO here. IC, early magic, late magic pullback. Bounce on old support. We're looking at a little bit of consolidation here or support identification, nagkaroon ng breakdown. Gumawa ng right hand. Ngayon, napasok natin ito. This is what we have entered. This one. Di ko muna siya tinitake profit kasi sabi ko this is going to go down. Why? Unang-una, why is my conviction going to go down? Unang-una, gumawa ka na ng breakdown here at gagawa pa ng right hand yan. Every time you see a right hand, it does not always mean that the market will go higher. As a matter of fact, sinasabi ko lagi, if the market is creating a right hand, baka isang baba pa yan. No, it can create another lower low. And when do you buy long a market that is creating a right hand? you trade the market that's creating a right hand only if it creates a breakout of your bullish wedge. If you see a breakout of your trend resistance, no? Of course, when you so 'di ba pinasok ko na to, no? Yung pinasok ko na 'yan. So obviously I'm taking profit in tranches already. So tatanggalin ko na to ngayon. What I'm gonna be doing now, okay? Naka-take profit na ako doon. Pinasok ko na ito. Nag-take profit na ako every time it's creating a lower low, you know. Sobrang haba kasi nito kaya abbreviate ko na lang yung discussion, you know. So nag-take profit na tayo on that particular trade pero iniwan ko pa rin siyang bukas. I will have my trailing stop loss there. So ang gagawin natin ngayon dito is how do we now enter it from a bullish wedge standpoint? Of course, if it's creating a right hand, you don't enter agad-agad and buy long. Bakit? Of course, you are on a bear bias. If you look at the bigger picture, of course, hindi ka naman pwedeng gagawa agad ng optimistic, bullish, impulsive trade dyan, di ba? Parang, I mean, why are you going to assume? Di ba? Kasi, I mean, it's creating a right hand, baka isang baba pa yan. And it needs to identify a strong support. And in this particular case, Miranda, nakita naman natin that the market is creating a lower low structure. So if you look into the particular trade, yes, gumagawa siya ng bullish wedge and the right hand is getting confirmed. So is it a good time to do a position trade already? My answer is no. Of course, you need to still do your scalping ka pa din, no? Kailangan ka makakita ng breakout ng medyo malaki dyan. No, you need to see a breakout with on a trend resistance breakout or you need to see a bullish wedge breakout there. Ngayon, pwede naman tayong gumamit pa ng isang fan, no, to confirm, no, what is our golden ratio trend line. Nako, pinapamigay ko na yung course. Baka di na sila mag-enroll.
May nag-comment, sabi ni Justin Carcueva, sobrang powerful ng Fib fan for trend support and resistance. Binibigyan ako ng clear sight.
Baka hindi na kayo mag-enroll, tinuturo ko na lahat dito. Swerte yung mag-enroll dito, no? Okay, so siguro ang gawin na lang natin, sabihin na lang natin that there are multiple trend lines. Guys, marami tayong tinatawag na trend lines. Okay, mga ganyan. Okay, mga ganyan, no? Kasi, pag horizontal trend lines, you have 382s and 618s. Di ba, Kuya Justin? Di ba? You have that, no? So, you can use either of this from horizontal. But minsan kasi yung diagonal, it's throwing you multiple permutations or samples of your trend lines. Pwedeng kumuha ka ng trend line. Sabihin na natin, pwede akong kumuha ng trend line dito. Tama ba yan? I can create my another trend line somewhere here. Tama ba to? I mean, what is the correct trend line? No? Yun ang trabaho ni Fibonacci fan. It's giving you the golden trend line, the golden ratio trend line. It's going to give you the correct trend line where you're going to expect more and more and more and more and more bullish impulsive moves after the breakout. Okay? It's going to give you that, no? Lalo na pag alam mo. Lalo na pag alam mong gamitin. Yan, tulad niyan. O, 'di ba? Ang sarap, 'di ba? Pag alam mo nang gamitin, makukuha mo tong mga to. Yan, sarap. Tapos it would only correct at the 618 area. Perfect na perfect, oh. Ay, nako. 'Di ba? So
Sobrang
again,
sakto, no?
Oo, yun ang ating conviction for the 1,000%. No, obviously, from an anatomy 100% rather, no, you have your anatomy at you have your trend support line breakdown on a bigger time frame. Then we shorted the coin. No, make sure that you know where to put your stop loss. No, always put your stop loss. If you're shorting, always put your stop loss above your major resistance or above a strong resistance. No, most potentially yung pinaka-immediate na ginamit mong triangle, yung bubong nung gagawin mong resistance yon. So sa taas nun ka maglalagay ng resistance line or ng stop loss line. Kasi at the end of the day, ano pa yun, pipitik pa yan eh. Pwede pang mag-osure yan. Kasi syempre, the market will always try to fight the downward price. You need to remember that. No? The market is not always going to agree that the price will go down. Bakit naman sila matutuwa the price can go down? Not everyone knows how to short. Matter of fact, 7 out of 10 people are buy long or spot individuals. Bihira po ang nag-short na tao. No, hindi lahat, karamihan po kaya nga, to be honest with you, doble ang risk ng mga nag-short. Doble yan. But, sobrang lakas kumita ng marunong mag-short if they know how to find major breakdowns. Kasi, kawawa naman yung mga bias for long. Bakit? They always will expect, tataas yan, but there's already a TLSBD pullback for the anatomy. So, where are they going to expect for a buy long? Doon sila natatalo. Natatalo ang mga tao because hindi nila matanggap the market is going to go down or the price can retrace. But if you know the market structure, Miranda, alam mo that retracements are healthy. It's part of a market structure. Di ba? As long as you don't break a critical support line, it's okay to retrace. Kailangan niya i-normalize yung nasa ilalim mo, yung mga oscillators mo. Okay? Alright. Ayun. Hello. Maraming salamat. Yan. Alright. Of course, the difference of Fib fan and Gan fan, Fib fan focuses on Fibonacci's. Yan. Meron kang measurement na tinatawag using your Fib fan. Yan. Alright. Ito na, may nagtanong na ng magic question. Sabi ko, lalabas tong question na to eh. Ay, nako. Coach, can you trade in between 382 and 618 trend line or only trade after 618 trend line created by Fib fan? The answer is yes. It will act as your support and resistance. Your in-betweens. Para ka rin nag-trade on a vertical, di ba? O on a horizontal. Pag nagbasag on 382 galing ilalim, of course, pwede kang mag-TP on a 618. Tapos magiging stop loss mo yung 318 na pinasukan mong support, di ba? Pwede. The answer is pwede. Alright, shout out daw. Yan. Shout out kay John David. Yes, tama Alan. Para organic yung movement niya. Kasi kapag ang market gumagawa ng higher high and your oscillators don't agree, of course, alam nyo na yung sagot doon, gagawa ng left hand yan. No, of course, it needs to retrace para i-normalize nyo nasa ilalim. Nakapansin nyo yun. Pag nag-retrace, mag-a-align ulit yung oscillators mo sa trend line. Makapansin niyo yan. Yun ang trabaho niya. Kailangan niyang i-align. Okay, tapos pag tumaas, syempre, at some point, oscillators need to also correct on a bigger, normalize on a bigger time frame. So medyo makakita ka na mahabang mga pullbacks dyan. Okay, yun. Thank you so much. Oy, ang dami kong picture. Teka lang. Ayan, wait lang. Tanggalin ko lang yung isa. Ayan. Alright. Okay, sana natuto kayo, Miranda, ha? Nagturo tayo ng konting conviction ba't ko pinasok yung 100% na trade na iyon. Alright? Okay, so scalp this market, no? Scalp. Identify your proper trend lines, proper support, proper resistances. Identify through naked charting yung mga tamang support and tamang resistance. Hindi lahat ng coin kailangan mong i-trade. Okay, may mga coins kang hindi kilala, wag mong pilitin yung sarili mo, kilalanin mo yung coin. What I mean by that is you naked chart the coin. Hindi lahat na nakikita mo sa social media tradable mo. Huwag kang bida-bida dyan. Di ba? Huwag ganun, Miranda, no? Mahalin mo yung pera mo. Doon ka lang umikot sa coins na tini-TA mo. Huwag kang biglang pumasok sa mga coins hindi mo naman tini-A. Di ba? Kadalasan dyan matatalo ka dyan. Alam mo, kaya nga alam mo, sa totoo lang, do a social experiment. Sample lang tayo. Justin. Sasabihin ko sa inyo ngayon, sa live natin, okay, umaakyat si LUNC. Tingnan ko lang kung bigla kayo lahat magpasukan dyan. Seriously, type number 1, guys. Diba? Ang sarap pakinggan na almost signal kasi yung binibigay eh. Diba? Mag-sample tayo dito. Hindi, type number 1 kung mapaforce ka kaagad. Sa totoo lang, diba? Kahit po hindi ako, kahit member or kahit sino man, makakita ka lang ng post dyan, uy, tumataas si LUNC. It gets our attention. Bakit? It's easy money eh. Di ba? Quick rich mentality tayo. Di ba? Quick rich mentality tayo. So we wanted, maghahanap tayo ng, alam mo yun, parang kasi ayaw nating ma-left behind eh. Ayaw nating ma-miss out eh. Di ba? I mean, we don't wanna be left behind eh. But the right answer there is, pag may nagsabi sa'yo na, uy, tumataas si LUNC, ang unang-unang sagot mo dapat is, titingnan ko muna. Check ko muna. 'Di ba? Yung old commercial, may mga commercial ng okay, question. Bakit karamihan nanay ang model ng Tide? Bakit karamihan nanay ang model ng Magic Sarap? 'Di ba? Bakit? Ano yung nasa utak ng mga advertisers? 'Di ba? Mothers make decisions. So they need to appeal. Mothers make decisions in the kitchen. Nakita ka ba siguro ng mga tatay na nagluluto, sila pa nga yung mga sikat na chef eh. Pero kadalasan sa pamilyang Pilipino, ang tatay nagtatrabaho, ang nanay nagluluto. 'Di ba? So gagawa ka ng commercial, you need to appeal. You need to target the market. Okay? Ikaw yung decision makers. Bakit nila kailangan? Bakit and pag sinabi naman nila, sorry by the way, step number 2, pag nakuha nila yung nanay, ano yung kailangan nilang gawin? Ano yung kailangan nilang i-emphasize? Sa Tide commercial, sino ang mga model? Nanay, nung mga kabataan tayo, naglalaba pa sila. Hindi ako nagbibiro Justin, yung commercial nung Alan, alam mo to yung commercial nung mga 1990s, yung mga nanay na mga sabon, naglalaba sa ilog, sa batis, hindi ako nagbibiro sa inyo. Ganon ang commercial, meron pang ilog yung commercial, naglalaba talaga sa ilog. Hindi ako nagbibiro, Super Wheel yata yun, yung makalimutan, or Ajax. Ano yung step number 2? Step number 2 is, why do they target the mothers at the nanay because sila po yung nagde-decide. Number 2, ano yung kailangan nilang sabihin? 'Di ba? Ano yung kailangan nilang sabihin sa mga commercials? Pinipili ng mapiling ina. Yan, 'di ba? Trusted by moms, trusted by mothers. 'Di ba? Ganun trusted by moms, trusted by mothers, pinipili ng nanay. Tapos sabihin pa ng writer, kailangan sabihin ng nanay na to, I choose. 'Di ba? Ganun, kailangan may ganun. I choose ganyan. Kailangan mong kailangan magsabi ka ng ganung script Miranda, in trading dapat ganun din tayo. Dapat tayo mabusisi. Yes, someone said pasukan, someone said good. Ikaw dapat ang knee-jerk reaction natin, we need to test it by our own self. Kikita ka man ng 10%, hayaan mo muna yun. Ang pakitain mo yung learning mo. Bigyan mo ng 10% learning by charting that coin. Yun ang magiging knee-jerk reaction natin. Pag nakakita tayo ng isang coin, nagsabi yung isang member or isang community member, oy, tumataas, o tinitingnan mo ngayon. Di ba? Ang dapat ang iniisip natin, this coming weekend, pag may nagsabing tumataas ang coin, i-chart mo. Parang ikaw yung commercial model, you need to guarantee na tama ba yung pinasinasabi niya o hindi. Huwag tayo agad maniniwala. Dapat sigurista tayo. Di ba? Question, kayo ba sigurista ba kayo sa pera nyo? Sige nga, mangingi ako ngayon ng 1,000 sa inyo ngayon, or yung kapitbahay niya manghingi ng 1,000 sa inyo, bibigyan nyo ba? Anong klaseng tanong ang tatanungin ninyo? Justin, ikaw. Kunyari may nangungutang sa'yo, or kunyari merong kapitbahay, oy, Justin, ganyan. Anong mga questions? Para saan? Di ba?
Para saan?
Para saan? Kailan mo babayaran? Diba? O kunyari, ako naman, may nangyaram sa akin na kunyari, may business proposition sa akin. I need to invest, let's say, 1 million. Question, para saan? Diba? Pero tayo, Miranda, pag nagtitrade ka, halos pinamigay mo na yung pera mo. You're not even asking para saan. Diba? Paano ko kikita dyan? Diba? Bakit ganun tayo? Diba? Why do we have that mentality that, it's okay for us to lose money. Hindi pinamimigay ang 100 pesos, hindi pinamimigay ang $2. Huwag niyo pamigay yan. Kahit pera pa din yan, di ba? Kahit $2 lang yan. Do not give your money to the market. Wag mo na ipatalo, wag mo iwaldas. Kailangan alamin mo para saan ba yan. You need to ask those questions. Naalala ko when I was driving. Teka lang So, yung sabi nung rotary. Alam nyo ba yung rotary four-way tests? Alam nyo ba yun, guys? 'Di ba? Ano yung four-way test ng rotary? When I was driving, I saw this along the road. Sabi niya, 1, is it the truth? B, number 2, is it fair to all concerned? 3, will it build goodwill or better friendships? Number 4, will it be beneficial to all concerned? So meron kang four-way tests, 'di ba? In rotary. Question ikaw, do you have a four-way tests? before entering? Do you test? Do you ask yourself? Do you check? Do you have parameters? 'Di ba? Do you have a checklist? Do you have a naked charting? Do you have a list of things to do? May seremonyas ka ba? Sa lahat nga ng bagay, may seremonyas, 'di ba? 'Di ba? 'Di ba, Justin? Kahit ito,
Yeah.
kahit in making love, may ceremonies, hindi mo pwedeng hilahin agad dyan. Kailangan may seremonyas kayo, di ba? Hindi ako bibiro. Di ba? Uy, guys, may anak na ako, alam ko yan. Di ba? Oh. Kailangan meron kang ceremonies before mapasukin. Gawin mong exciting yung buhay mo. Di ba? Oh, type number 1 kung may naunawaan kayo. Di ba? May naunawaan ba? Do you guys make sense? Di ba? Okay, ano yung sample? May nagpapasample sa akin. Oh, yung mga may pamalo pa, alam ni Ma'am Clarice, oh. Di ba? Hindi, wala. Yung Lumen, bago lang yan eh. Di ba? 2000. Yung mga Ajax, guys, 1989. Sino ba mga pinanganak ng 80s dito? Tsaka 70s. Alam nyo yan, tigilan nyo ko. 'Di ba yung mga dating palabas na mga di ko na student canteen, di ko na inabutan yun eh. Yeah. Dapat ay sample daw ng seremonyas, tayo diyan. 'Di ba? 'Di ba? So dapat tayo we need to have in everything that we do. Ngayon, pag sanay ka na, muscle memory, tuloy mo na yan. Mas bibilis na yung seremonyas mo diyan. 'Di ba? Kasi nagawa mo na eh, nag-naked chart ka na eh. Hindi mo na, 'di ba? Nag-charting ka na eh. So hindi mo na kailangan yang ulit-ulitin. Kumbaga, magiging, in many months and many years na nagiging trader ka, you're experiencing the market, talagang mahahasa na yung mata mo. 'Di ba? To be able to see major breakouts and breakdowns. Mas mabilis na. Doon yung masasabi, bakit yung ibang trader ang bilis makahanap ng mga setups. Kumbaga parang nung kabataan natin, guys, when we are young, when we are younger, 'di ba? Meron tayong 10-item quiz. Tapos meron tayong map. May map tayo ng Philippines. Okay, identify where is Manila here? Ayan, 'di ba? Where is Luzon? Pare-paras kayo binigyan ng 10-item na quiz. Siyempre, yung mga magagaling na, ang bilis sumagot niyan. 'Di ba? Am I correct, guys? Type number 1 kung naiintindihan niyo ako. 'Di ba? Pero pag nagse-struggle ka, you don't even know how to identify where is region 1, region 2, region 3. It will take time. You need to master pa eh. You need to master the map eh. 'Di ba? O identify the right answer from the questions. 'Di ba? Yung iba mabibilis, alam na nila agad yung sagot. Para ka nag-e-exam ng market. 'Di ba? Para ka nagbo-board exam sa charting. Ang bilis makita ng iba, samantalang ikaw, you cannot see it. And that's perfectly fine kasi you're still a student. You're still a student, di ba? So, at the end of the day, Miranda, yun ang iintindihin natin. Yun ang aalamin. Yun ang imamaster natin. Because kapag makuha na natin yung mga ganyang galawan, ikaw na yung magiging top 1 sa school, ang bilis mo na makakita ng mga trend lines. May mga ganung tao. Hindi lahat ganun, hindi pa tayo ganun lahat. So, kailangan ayusin po natin. Mas galingan pa natin. We need to expose ourselves on the same exam. We need to expose ourselves to the exams of the market every day. Every day. Yeah. Yun muna ang aking masasabi today, and I hope you've learned something from me today on a Friday session. All right. Mentor Justin.
Yun lang, Coach. Meron akong nagbasa na comment dito na akala ko dati TA ang pinakamahirap gawin sa trading nung natapos na yung university, Coach. Ang pinakakalaban pala is trading is yung self-discipline. Salamat sa walang sawang pag-guide. And may isa pa na nakakagising daw talaga yung magigising ka talaga daw sa live pag ganito yung mga usapan. So,
Thank you.
Sa akin lang naman, no? Yeah, that's actually correct. No, reiterate yung sinabi ni Sir Jong, no, na it's really about the self-discipline. Kasi from in our perspective, we can teach you the system, we can teach you how to master the system, we can give you the skill sets, but at the end of the day, it's still gonna be on you, no? Parang how are you gonna be, how are you willing, or how are you, what's your will power to be able to master that system?
Ayan. Okay? Maraming salamat guys, no, and I have a meeting lang with 11, so I need to wrap up this show. Mentor Justin, salamat, thank you for being here. 200 plus viewers in YouTube, congratulations. And again, members, congratulations sa mga nakapasok on scalping LUNC. Well done, well done. At mag-take profit na, scalp the market, scalp. And again, happy weekend sa inyo, Miranda. I might not do live tonight kasi I'm preparing for an event tomorrow, no. But I'll try my best. But otherwise, maraming salamat po lagi. Iniimbitahan ko po kayong mag-enroll in our Fibonacci Masterclass. I-try po ninyo kung sana po makatulong. Marami po natulungan at nai-inlove ako sa mga nakikita kong mga testimony. Napakarami. Sabi ko, nangyari, di ba? Pas parang natutuwa ako at marami tayong natulungan on that small, very affordable masterclass, no. Ang dami. At I took note of that. Nakita ko yung potential ng ganun na pwede pala na kahit maliit lang we can help the community, no, in a big way naman yung effect. Diba? Alright guys, maraming salamat Mentor Justin. God bless you guys and I